Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to rename photos on your iPhone using the native file app. This is a great way to keep your photo organized. Let's get started. First, open the photo apps and find the photo you want to rename. Tap on the share button, the square with an upward arrow. Then scroll down and select Save to Files. This will bring you straight to the file apps. Navigate through it and find the folder you want to save your photo in. Then you can simply rename your photo to the preferred name. Press the save button at the right corner of the screen. And that's it, guys. You can always go back to the file app to ensure the photo has been renamed by checking its new name in the Files app. And that's it, guys. You successfully renamed a photo using the Files app. If you found this tutorial helpful, please be sure to like and share. Stay tuned for more handy tips and I will see you next time. Bye bye.